Hello, friends. Join me as I tackle this small, mold-infested master bathroom.
They ain't the right one for you. You called the right one. I'm the man with the plan. I straighten you out all the time. My hand ain't always open, but my wallet is.
I am currently in the middle of a full-blown renovation for this early 1960s ranch-style home, and this week I will be working on the small, mold-infested master bathroom. This will be a complete gut to tear out the black mold contained within the shower and reframe and widen the 24-inch doorway in case wheelchair access is needed in the future. I will also need to replace the rotten wood framing behind the drywall that's due to years of a leaking roof. I'll bring in a new sink, light fixture, medicine cabinet, tile floor, and tiled shower, and add storage and safety accessories wherever I can. Because this is a small space, I will be keeping the existing layout, but I will also try to find ways to add a larger sink and cabinet combo for more storage and enlarge the shower. My entire design is based on this tile flooring, which I saw in a discount flooring store and fell in love with. So I'm just about finishing with, opening this doorway up. I pretty much have the drywall back on where I widen the doorway on the outside. Now I need to finish the inside. However, the person who, installed this socket here has it flush to the 2x4. That's not going to work because I still have to put drywall up, as you can see. And if I do it this way, look, the plug is going to be sitting behind the drywall, which is not going to work. We can't have a sunken in light. So what I'm going to have to do, you can see I've already cut off the power to the house. I am pulling out these nails that were used to secure it, and I'm going to pull it out, at least, maybe half an inch, so that this drywall can sit, either up under this or flush with this drywall once I pull it out. Like I said, it's just one of those little things you have to try to remember, because you don't want a light socket that's sunk into the wall. So just food for thought. Okay,
Say action!
action.
Action! Take it out, baby. Now you're talking to handyman services. I'm not the cheapest thing going, so don't lose your way. Just call me up, 817-500-6742, and I'll get y'all fixed up. Don't call them other guys, they ain't the right one for you. You call the right one. I'm the man with the plan, I straighten you out all the time. My hand ain't always open, but my wallet is. Follow JT.
What is it? Oh yeah, that'll do it.
I'd have leveled him up and knocked him down. I'd have leveled him up and knocked him down. Remember, if you need a handyman, I'm a real handyman.
That's right.
I'm coming with everything.
That's right.
Tuber pulls, level hammers, nails, coffin, shovels, rubber that nigga in the backyard.
Do you think I'll ever find true love?
If the handyman got something to say about it, the first one I get to go look.
All right, this is what I got so far. I have a floor, I have some drywall that needs work, lots of taping, lots of bedding, and I have no shower at all. And this is where I am at. So, we'll see. Okay, so sometimes the most ridiculous things drive me crazy. There's dust everywhere, but it would be silly to clean up since we're going to be making more dust. And right now, these pictures lined up like this. I mean, I put them that way because I thought 3 would be too much to line up on one side of the wall. But now I'm thinking that's exactly what I should do. I bought 3. I want to use 3. I don't know why I'm obsessing over this, but I am. I don't know. You guys let me know what you think, but for now, I think I am going to turn those pictures around or actually maybe rearrange them, you know, maybe one a little higher, one in the middle, one lower, and see if I like that arrangement better. Because it's driving me crazy. I know it's such a small thing, but what can I say? I'm feeling it. I am. Let me know what you guys think. Yep, that arrangement is much better. I know it's such a small thing, but little things matter. All right, guys, it is time to finish up this bathroom and move on. Okay, so the bathroom is finally finished. Of course, this is the bathroom that is off of the master bedroom. I want to call to, your attention that I installed this toilet paper holder because it is made of steel. It's very sturdy. It's screwed into the 2x4s behind the wall because this bathroom is for a 72-year-old man. So having support when having to get up off of the toilet is important. This is a small bathroom, so incorporating extra storage for the towels was also paramount. And then of course we also have the cabinet sink that opens and provides more storage. And here we are with the old school medicine cabinet. To store medicine in, or toiletries as well. So different options for storage in a very small bathroom. And here we are at the shower. He did not want the shower bench installed, so I brought one in, made of acacia wood. Again, thinking about safety features in the shower for someone of that age, and installing this bath bar here so that he could have extra assistance if he needed to lift himself off of the seat or move around better in the shower. Hey guys, is it time to update your master bathroom? Visit the replacementstore.com online and go to the bathroom basics section to get some great ideas. This week's featured product is a dual shower head set. Like the one I installed in this bathroom, the handheld sprayer connects directly to the wall-mounted shower head, meaning there is no need to have any plumbing work done. You can install it yourself. It's perfect for someone with limited mobility who cannot stand up to shower for a long period of time. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. In the next video, I will be completely gutting the guest bathroom and calling in my friend JT to come help me finish it out. Come have fun with us.
I'm gonna do something good for you.
You're gonna fix some things for
I'm gonna I'm gonna come over there and fix some stuff for you.
Yeah, that's right. That's right.
You better get
It's a multi-talented man.
multi. And if I can't fix it, I'll sand it. Whatever you dig. Woo! Like a feather, I feather down like